Right? Right? Hold them on. Hold the bright lights on. No, like make them stay on by themselves. There we go. All right, we got a marker light. Right, reverse. All right, so we're gonna look under the hood and everything. So what you need to do is start from one side. So what I would do is look at from here. So, I mean, it's a little dirty, but I would only recommend that if it's low. So we probably do not have bad brake pads because of the fluid level. So next I'm gonna go ahead and look at this fluid. We're gonna look at that. That's pretty brown. We should recommend that to be flushed. Washer bottle. And on some, you've said that you can look at it from here. Take on the radiator. I've already looked at it. I know it's good, but we need to look at it. I'm gonna look at it from both sides. So now the belt, okay? And I mean, there's a very, very little. I wouldn't worry about it. Bottom belt, okay. Okay, that's all we're looking at there. We can squeeze these hoses. Now we're coming over here. We're gonna look at this tank. And I don't see anything on this tank. You can see from here as well. And you would look at it from here. All right, and a half. So we would pull this off. We're gonna pull this out. Okay, we're gonna look in 3 different sections. You see there's a little bit of stuff right there. There's stuff there, and there's stuff there. We should recommend this to be replaced. Okay. Oh, I'm hitting the dang button. All right, the coolant level, okay? Wiggle it, it's low, okay? Another thing is, on all LS based, we need to look at these heater hoses at that fitting, where the plastic connects, and these fittings. If we see anything that we see that might be corrosion or anything, we need to recommend it. But this is original, and this is what, a 2008, 2010, 2012, something like that? Something like that. So I mean, they're 10 years old. They're OEM. We should recommend this be replaced before this happens. Okay, hold that. Pull the dipstick for the transmission fluid, and that's brown. It needs to be flushed. Okay, look at the battery. We don't see any corrosion. Why have you done that before?
A few times.
That makes 4 on this one. So we're going to get all of the weight off of the suspension. Make sure rack's clear on good frame. We were pretty clear on here. Shake it a good bit. Make sure that that way also the oil is draining the longest it can be. It should be a 15 or a 13. Here, this also needs to be closer to you. Doesn't matter.
These will work just fine. They do have some where you can put it literally anywhere, and all you have to do is squeeze it and it breaks it loose for you.
Oh,
That's
okay. That's why you don't want to.
That needs
Money!
it.
There's
Oh, yeah.
money! Alright, go, chocks.
Those are good. That was good. What the heck?
Upper. Okay.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. So in this instance, if that one would have been bad, we'd recommend all 4.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
We're plenty.
That's gonna need
Right.
some brakes.
If you've already measured it, then don't worry about looking. Just look at them to make sure that they're not grinding.
Okay.
Is all you're looking at now. Make sure that we don't have a damaged rotor. Like look.
Yeah, look at this.
See, that has a ring on it.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's what we're looking at.
This one has it too.
That one has a ring on it too. So we need to recommend both rear rotors along with it. Here.
All right.
Okay.
Shocks.
Shocks. That's just shiny. So they're good.
Yeah.
Okay. They're new. Okay. Good. All right. Spare tire. $42.12. We need to recommend a spare. Good. Good. Did you shake it up and down?
Yeah.
Okay.
About 160.
All right. How much oil? No, I've never put oil. Now, I mean, when I say that, I mean I can't put a number on it. I guess it's best to get